Single Sliding Door Installation Guide. Today, we're installing a brand new shower door. Let's get started. Tools you'll need: pencil, tape measure, level, power drill, metal hacksaw, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench, silicone sealant. Preparation: inspect both glass panels to ensure they match the dimensions of your shower enclosure. Additionally, confirm that the aluminum installation template is the correct model. This step ensures everything is ready before you begin. Step-by-step installation. 1. Use a level to check if the shower threshold is even. On the higher side, place the aluminum installation template vertically, leaving a half-inch gap from the outer edge. Mark the drill hole positions with a pencil. Move the template to the opposite wall, recheck with the level, and mark the top hole position on that side. 2. Use a 5/16" drill bit to drill holes at the marked points. Insert wall anchors and install 3 mounting brackets. Measure the distance between the 2 installed wall brackets. Use a metal hacksaw to cut the top rail to the correct length. Secure both ends of the rail to the wall brackets. Position the fixed glass panel and gradually install the 3 mounting components to secure it in place. Lock all parts firmly into position. 5. Use a level to ensure the glass panel is upright. Secure the bottom bracket to firmly anchor the glass to the floor. 6. Attach the rollers to the sliding glass door. Hang the door on the rail and use a level to ensure it is completely straight. Adjust the eccentric rollers to align the sliding door with the wall, then tighten the rollers to secure all components. Next, install the bottom hook and adjust the eccentric roller to leave a small gap between the hook and the track. Tighten the hook to secure the sliding glass door, ensuring smooth operation. 7. Sequentially attach the handles to both glass doors. 8. Measure the required length for the water barrier, cut it to size, and secure it to the floor using silicone sealant. 9. Install waterproof seal strips between the fixed panel and the sliding door to help contain water within the shower area. 10. Apply silicone sealant along the edges where the fixed glass meets the wall and floor to create a watertight seal. All done. Your shower door is now installed. Allow 24 hours for the silicone to fully cure before using the shower. Thank you for following along, and happy DIYing!